So now this is going to be our movement for the day on our CAD JPY. So first thing first, remember guys, you all know the rules of trading. First, you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. Remember, we are only going to be trading with what market is doing and not against it. So before that, before you go ahead to predict what market will do for the day, if you are yet to subscribe and you are new and you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now guys, let's start with the trade right here. If you take a look at this your CADJPY, you can see that CADJPY is in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. CADJPY, the overall trend of CADJPY is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. Now, this is this right here. Market was push up again, it's push up to form an high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high, right? Now markets eventually pull back again to form an higher low, right? After market formed this higher low, guess what market did next? Market eventually push up again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high, right? So now market took out this previous high. Guess what market did? Market eventually pull back to form an higher low. Now with this higher low, right, we will be expecting market to continue to push up. Which market is currently doing that now? Guys, zoom it in. If you zoom it in, you see that market is currently pushing up. It's giving us the high. So we should expect it to continue that movement to completely take out this high, right? Thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move, right, for the day is still what we'll be expecting on our CADJPY. Now, take a look at it. This is the one of market opening and closing bullish. Here comes the day 2 of market opening and closing bullish. This is the day 3 of market opening and closing bullish. Now, this we will be expecting the 4 of market opening and closing bullish. Now, guys, we should be expecting market to actually open and close bullish for the day. So, if you are not yet in the buy, make sure you need to go in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So, make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on any updates.